Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to enable and use simple mode in Vivo Y33 smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, enter into the settings of the Vivo Y33s, then choose lock screen and wallpaper from the list. Now we need to select the simple mode, then enable the simple mode now. Then click experience now. Now the simple mode is turning on. You can see the icon is visible very large. So it's very useful for elders. So it's a very useful feature. You can use the phone with the minimal settings and minimal apps. Also you can quick dial, add a quick dial for quick calling. Also you can add a apps in the list. So it's a very useful feature. If you want to exit from this mode, you need to click on the settings, then choose exit simple view. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.